Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. We're here in Santos's V70. You guys have seen the green machine before doing the timing because the company that put the timing belt on, they used the HOWR pump, which these pumps have a static leak allowable limit. And it's been dripping in his garage and losing coolant. Usually only when it's cold. He didn't like that. I don't blame him. It's like playing coolant roulette. So we're going back in with an Asian pump. And 2017 year, it was made with the 3rd month. And these normally don't do that. So we got the water pump area all cleaned up. But it looks like the timer is off one tooth on the crank. Let's see if I can get this down here for us to see that. Take a picture of that, and we're going to back that up one tooth. Get that fixed. Time to get Queen Bee put together, maybe cleaned up, maybe touch that back bumper with some touch-up paint. I'm about to head out of town. I'm taking Queen Bee with me. Ago, I had the tint put on the door of Queen Bee. I also painted that door check strap that is missing here. I'm going to install that, remove the busted one, put on the painted one, and put this door back together. So let me go ahead and get that done, put the window sill in, the tint's nice and new, and then I'll clean out the rest of the car, the trunk, stuff like that, and have this thing ready to hit the road tomorrow. Check the oil and the tire pressure. So, starting off with the door check strap. This thing is busted. You know that because when you open the door or close the door, you hear a loud popping, or the door doesn't stay open right, or something along those lines. If you don't deal with it, it can actually tear the metal in the door. So if you hear the popping, the odd opening or closing, what you want to do is get this bolt out of here so that it's free from it. The problem with that is it doesn't stop the door from opening, and you have to be careful so you don't bang up either your door trim or spring your door or something like that. So you got to be careful with the wind and things like that. So anyway, you got to take the door panel off, take these 2 screws out. There should be a video linked in the comment section. This little plate that tries to come off when you feed it up there. Also, you got to feed it up through that hole up there, put the tip of this through there, then grab it, finagle it in place, put the nuts on it, or the bolts. Kind of tricky, but it can be done without taking this window regulator off. Everything on the door panel's on. I just need to find that knob. Wherever I laid that, I'll find it in a minute. And then that door panel will be done. Next, I'm going to take my fix-it, get that rub mark off of there, a couple others, go gas it up, finish cleaning it up. I'm going to use my touch-up paint to hit this spot on the corner of Queen Bee. I already wiped it off real good. And it looked like it's got some other rub on there I got to rub off, but that thing is deep. So this stuff dries real quick. I'm going to put it on there, then go get some gas. We'll see how it matches when I get back. It looks fine from here. It's rough close up. So what I'm going to do is put a couple more layers on it, get it nice and thick on there, and then I'm going to wet sand it down in a while. So I'm going to leave it like that for now. After 24 hours, I'll put another layer on it, trying to fill that divot up in there. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.